Hey there, Sunshine. I am so excited for today's video. Guess why? Because last month, Glossybox reached out to me and they're like, hey, do you want to review our April box? And I was like, heck yes, that's another dream come true. Check that off my dream list. I'm so excited for today's box that I almost showed you my address. So here, I haven't looked at it. I just got this a couple of days ago. Things have been crazy. They have been crazy. So if you've never heard of Glossybox, girl, you have been missing out. I love Glossybox so much. I used to unbox it all the time, and then I decided, I was like, oh, I have a lot of makeup, so I started cutting back on my subscription boxes. But this was a box that I missed so much. I have a coupon code for you to use off your first month of Glossybox that'll pop up right here if you're interested. So let's see this box. Okay, so Glossybox, a lot of people compare Glossybox and BoxyCharm together because they're around the same price point. Basically, BoxyCharm has a monthly box. Everybody probably knows it as the BoxyCharm box because BoxyCharm now has like BoxyLuxe and the BoxyCharm Premium. But the BoxyCharm box is like $20, $25 a month depending on, I don't know, whatever month how much they feel like charging that month. And then there's Glossybox, which is $21 a month. So if you want to know what's inside of this Glossybox, keep on watching. And I always say that I really recommend Glossybox if you are somebody who is like super duper into skincare, because I always received a lot of really nice like hair care and skincare stuff in my Glossybox. And I'm somebody who's like super duper into makeup, but I love hair care because I don't know what to do with my hair. I know I dye it. I change it like colors all the time. But in terms of styling, this is about as creative as I get. So I love that Glossybox has always sent me beautiful hair care samples and that and other products that I actually end up buying after I've run out of my whatever I've been sent in my Glossybox. So this is what the box looks like. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Okay, I always love just I would put that on like a car. So pretty. So let's see what this month's theme is. So pretty. It's so beautifully wrapped. Let's untie the ribbon. I always feel bad about doing that. Glossybox Blossom. Okay, I'm not going to look inside of it. And there's also words like sneak peek and coming soon on the back of this card. And I don't want to read it because I want to be surprised. I have two cards here before we even actually see what's inside the box. I have two cards. I have this HelloFresh $80 gift card. Ooh. And I have this $100 wine voucher. Ooh. Okay, so now let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I probably just shook it up and like broke everything, but oh, I see a big bottle. Oh, I see a big bottle. Oh my gosh, what is that? Dry shampoo. Oh, no, everything's falling apart. Okay, let's mission aboard that one. Okay, so as you can see, I am a very clumsy person, but look at this dry shampoo. This is exactly what I was talking about. I love the hair care stuff that I always get in my Glossybox boxes. This is Co-Lab Dry Shampoo Original Fragrance. Amazing oil absorption without white residue. Okay, I have colored hair, so that means we will be able to see if there's white residue. I'm gonna put it on the blue because that's darker. It smells nice. Do we have any? We don't. Yo, that's amazing. We don't have any. And it smells so good. It smells like fresh, but I also get a little bit of like brightness, like citrus. But look how big this bottle is. It's literally the size of my head. Okay, let's see what else we got in this box. I'm very excited. It's going so great so far, and I've only unboxed one product. Okay, I'm very curious to see what this is because I see the word tattoos, and if these are tattoos, I'm gonna put them all over my face. I'm so excited. Okay, so these are temporary tattoos. The impulsive part of me just wants to stick them all over my face. That would be so fun, but they're also so pretty. Like this one, honestly, personally, is like just calling me. But look, they're so dainty. Inked by Danny, temporary tattoos, hand drawn. That is some freaking talent. Cruelty-free and waterproof. I'm gonna cover myself tonight. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I know that I'm an adult and I know that I can buy temporary tattoos, but it's not something that ever has crossed my mind to do that. And now that I have a set in my hand, I feel on top of the world. I am so excited. And they're so girly and dainty. Like, I was gonna get a tattoo, but then, you know, the virus hit and the world stopped. And so, like, now I'm just like, ooh, I can, like, play around with some new ideas. Oh, I didn't even see that one. That one's so pretty. What if I put this one, like, right here? Just kidding, I would never do that. But, however, I think that'd be really pretty on, like, the side of my finger. That would be so pretty. Okay, that has taken a hit. That is so different. That is something unlike anything else I've ever received in any subscription box ever. So that is very exciting. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Avant Rose Papaya Vitamin B5 Proline Alanine. I don't know, we're getting into really big complex words and I'm a writer, but I cannot pronunciate for anything. Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. I've gotten Avant, I think, in my Ipsy Plus boxes before, and I know that they're really expensive because every time I'm like, how do you charge that much for that product? So we got some skincare in here. Okay, so we've gotten a little like a balance of like hair care, a really fun mystery, like in its own mystery category, and skincare. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this fun box. I don't know, there's something, it's pretty and it makes noise. It says V&R Flower Nectar. Ooh, what is that? Oh, I hope it's like a lip balm. That'd be fun. Oh my gosh, it's a perfume. At least I'm assuming. Also, that packaging is absolutely precious. Flower Balm Nectar. Oh, yeah, it's definitely a perfume. Especially because, like, where's the little sprayer? Do I not know how to perfume? Oh, maybe it's not a sprayer. Maybe I have to twist it. Ooh. Oh, do you just boop? Oop, yeah. Boop, boop, boop. I booped too much. I'm so sorry. Oh, I just hit my nose with it, so I just like inhaled liquid. This is not, we're not having a great time here, guys. I am not that good at multitasking. Okay, I'm gonna let it wave out for a second. That smells like the inside of Sephora. Like, if you've ever been inside of a Sephora, I always get hit with like the smell of like things I can't afford and flowers, and that's exactly what this smells like. Like, it smells very florally and powdery, and those are two things that I'm not. That's not perfumes that I personally would wear. I like to smell like sunshine and citrus, and I just want to smell like somebody dumped cleaning supplies all over me. Those are my favorite scents. However, I super duper appreciate a perfume. Also, I'm so glad it's not one of those little Sephora sampler perfumes that are like rip-offs. That's a really nice size, and I've never seen a bottle like that ever before, so I think that was really cute. Okay, guys, we have 2 more items in this box. Okay, so I have this Be Your Incredible Self with Nails ink. Such a pretty color. It's Blossom Kisses. Oh, I like the little blossom theme we have going here. Also, everything kind of like matches. Like, we have like creams and pinks, and I'm loving the whole theme. I'm loving it. Okay, so this is super cute nail polish. Always love it. And the only box that I ever seem to get that in is Ipsy. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out of this month's box is this. I always feel a need to squish these. I'm so sorry. Kyra, possibly. Not that good with pronunciation. HCR 3-in-1 sheet mask. Oh, I've gotten this in another subscription box before. This is so nice, and I'm not a huge like sheet mask person, but these are really, really nice. They have left my skin feeling so soft. Okay, so let's go over the inside of the little card here together. So, Ring in the Spring Glossies. That's so cute. Okay, the Avant, okay, there's like pictures and everything, and there's a lot of reading, so bear with me for a moment. The Avant Skincare Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant has a retail value of $114. So I don't know if this is the full size. Oh no, it says Deluxe Mini. Okay, so I don't know the size of the full size thing, so I'm also not that good at math. So we're just gonna be like, okay, that's kind of expensive sample. Not that it's $114, but Avant is expensive. Does that make sense? Let's see, what else did we get? The original dry shampoo has a retail value of $5.49. The Nails Ink Blossom Kisses has a retail value of $11. The Inked by Danny Flower Child Temporary Tattoos has a retail value of $12.99. I'm going to go check out her website, inkedbydanny.com, and load up on a bunch of temporary tattoos. So if in the next unboxing you see me like completely tatted, no, I have not left my house. I've just bought so many temporary tattoos. I'm so excited about that. And then I'm trying to find the mask. But I don't see the pricing for it on here because the only mask that I do see on here is this ruby one. And then on the back, it says next month's box theme is an adventure into the untamed woman in all of us. And the makeup and beauty trends that defy the norm. Hi, Glossybox. I feel like I'm the perfect representation of trends that defy the norm. Just kidding. It's really just my hair. That's the only thing that really defies the norm, I guess. If it even does. Speaking of, here's your first sneak peek in the upcoming month. Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Oh, I love that stuff so much. I literally just ran out of a jar. I gotta get it. Oh, so excited. Okay, so that is everything that I received in my April Glossybox box. What did you guys think? And would you like to see more of this box on my channel? I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.